Welcome back to Pratt Remodeling. I'm Mike here with Pratt Remodeling. I've got Jake in the master bath, which we're going to show you what we've done there. But just to back up a little bit, you have to look at our first video of this particular master bath over here in one of our townhomes. And you had seen it, it was all apart before. So what we're trying to do here is this is a townhome that was built a few years back, and we want to refresh it. And so next to me, I have Nancy and Alan. They own the home, and how long have you owned the home for?
23 years.
23 years, and
Original.
I believe it's the original bath,
One
correct?
of the original owners.
And so what we did is we refreshed it. We
That's
it
it.
was kind of neat because we added a walk-in tub. But tell me, what are some of the reasons why we remodeled your bath? Could you just kind of maybe tell us that a little bit?
Well, the main reason is I've had knee replacement and I could not safely get in and out of a regular tub. And so the walk-in tub really appealed to me because now I will be able to safely take a bath.
Awesome. I know that I've gotten a lot more calls with that walk-in tubs. So it's great you let us do that in this particular bath to kind of show that off. How about you, Alan? Anything in this bath that the reason we remodeled it for you?
Well, the walk-in tub and the shower is a much more accessible shower now. It's bigger. It didn't have the sliding doors anymore, so which I wanted to get rid of, which was nice. So the shower's in good shape, which you will see here shortly.
Okay. Yeah, it's nice to have some new materials.
Right.
Just new countertops.
Yeah.
the whole thing.
It's a slightly higher toilet also,
Okay, yeah.
which is a
Yeah,
little bit
that's right.
safer for older folks too.
The higher toilets. We've been doing a lot of those. In fact, younger and older crowds, because it's a long ways down, so to speak. And so again, new mirrors, light fixtures.
Yeah.
And so I believe we had an interior designer help you through some of those selections.
did.
Yes, she
And
did
so-
a very nice job of helping us.
Okay, that's great, and I think we have our own showroom, so that helped a little bit. And or if you can't get to our showroom, she'll bring selections over for you.
Right. And there was a problem with the flooring we picked out. They couldn't get it at some point, and so she picked out several other choices and let us see those, and it was real easy to make the shift then to something different.
Okay,
So that worked
perfect.
out
Yeah,
well.
that helps to have extra selections on that.
Yeah,
So
it'd
that
be
just-
overwhelming otherwise.
Yeah. So tell me, how about the process? How was it?
Long.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay, it was 3
went
days
quite
instead
well,
of
but
2.
I have a very impatient husband who
Okay.
some days was like, "Why isn't anyone here?" But
Yeah.
it was well organized and seemed to take place in a good order. And
Okay, good.
And
good.
for the most part, people were very good about cleaning up, and we did real well with
We
it.
should compliment the subcontractors who, in each case, would make a suggestion or ask a question and involve us in what was going on. It was really kind of fun.
Yeah.
Placement of things
Sure.
and stuff like that. So.
Yeah, they see things. So it's just not they just show up and do their job. They actually become part of it.
Yes.
And so it's not me in the beginning telling you about remodeling your bathroom. It's actually the mechanics,
Right.
the guys doing it. I can't attitude, keeping things clean and.
Well, what would you like your bathroom to look like in this case? What would you do in yours?
Right.
Was a question I'd ask. They want to say how to do this thing. I said, well, what would you do in yours? And usually that's the choice we would make.
Yeah, 'cause
So,
they do it day in and day out.
Mhm.
Well, fabulous. Well, first of all, thank you for letting us do your master bath and enjoy it. And of course, if anything comes up, obviously give us a holler.
Yeah, we have your number.
Great, I like that. And so we're gonna just move things along here. And so Jake's in the bathroom here. And so I'm gonna just bring you guys into the bathroom. Jake, why don't you take it?
Hello, we are back here at the remodel at the Smiley household. So we've touched every surface in this bathroom, but why don't you come on in here and we can touch on some key pieces here. So start with the shower. They had a fiberglass shower before that was smaller, so we bumped out the framing a little bit, and now you have a bigger ceramic shower, and they have a curtain that will be going up. But we obviously wanted to show off all the tile. we got the shower floor and then the niche with the shower floor tile in back and a deco strip above the niche. And so something we did there is the deco strip above the niche, we actually put that tile over by the tub as well. So it kind of ties it all in and complements each other. And then over here, the probably main piece of this whole remodel is the bathtub. The walk-in tub is super nice, very accessible, easy to use. Kind of a timeless piece. And so either way, new flooring, new countertops, lights, paint, trim, you name it, it's all in this bath. So there you have it. Thank you, Lynn.